Welcome to Global Right Path. I am Irshad Mahmood. Topic is dollar a day for humanity. Global world is facing global economic disaster and needs global revolution. On top of that, now we have global pandemic from COVID-19 caused by little invisible creature. We don't know exactly when global poverty and global famine started, either 100 years, 500 years, or 1000 years. But for sure, we have the solution in the Quran, which teaches us to come to the common point without any discrimination of religion, race, etc. It is 100% guaranteed to save world and to help build our heavenly earth if we truly apply the guidance given by the Quran. We can redevelop the world through our own creative evolution. In simple terms, no changes without right actions. It is time now to open our eyes, correct ourselves, to serve humanity in a revolutionized way in the light of Quran, in which all, including rich and poor, can live safe and sound, since Quran gives the true revolutionized guidance to fix the global system, to save humanity in a balanced way. Avoid loans, avoid waste, stop greediness as much as possible by keeping in mind how much is too much to help build our heavenly earth. Only true love with humanity in the light of Quran can save global world with 100% guaranteed. We must join together to fight against global poverty and global famine. Plant fruits and vegetables, etc. in your backyard, on the side of streets and parks, wherever it is possible, and make sure it is permissible by your government. If you get more fruits and vegetables, then what you need, then share it with your neighbors, your friends, your relatives, and support those programs from the depth of your heart to fix global system, which is hurting all. I have not seen a single business person doing very good business without any single customer. Remember, customers are human. A single machine may replace 1,000 humans, but not a single human can ever replace a single machine. We invite you all for $1 a day for humanity, and wherever and whenever crisis comes, help them immediately. Till we join together to start a new global savior system to save humanity, which needs full approval from all people and all government around the world. Thank you.